When installing 3M Scotchgard paint protection film with a pre-cut pattern, make sure to match the right pattern for the vehicle. Use 3M Pattern and Solution Center program, choose your library, then make and model of the vehicle. Once you have your data selected, the program will search throughout the library. Having a picture of the vehicle will help you to select the right pattern. Choose your selection and open the pattern kit in the program software. Make some adjustments for your media source and you're ready to cut the pattern. Before you load 3M Scotchgard Pro Series onto the plotter, remove a cap sheet from the film and then load the material for plotting. Hit enter and you let the plotter do the final cuts. Weed out the excess on a clean working table. Roll up the pre-cut pattern and prepare the car before installation. Remember to wash, clay bar, and clean the surface. For easier application on a bumper, drive onto a set of ramps or use a lift. Final step before application, clean the surface with SIP solution. Use a rubber squeegee to wipe the solution off without leaving any contamination. Spray the whole surface with 3M paint protection film installation gel and add on some slip solution to avoid dry spots. Using a reverse roll technique, start to unroll the pre-cut kit from one side of the bumper and move on until you remove the liner completely. Lift the film and respray with slip solution for better handling. This installation guideline is just an example how to apply pre-cut pattern kit. Following the registration points, start with number 1 and work your way center out. Apply some tack solution to lock the film in position. Next, set the pattern around the headlight and squeegee the installation solution out. Get the stretch from the area large as possible. Slide the film onto the vehicle to find the best orientation before tacking the film down, to minimize the stress right from the beginning with lowest number of fingers. Lock it in position and squeegee the solution out. Use pull method with overlapping strokes. Once the center of the bumper is applied, follow the instruction and move on to headlight washer. Set it in place and now move on to number 5. Lift the film and spray the surface of the bumper and the adhesive side with tack solution. Place your hands flat onto the film and stretch it evenly to fit in position by tacking down with squeegee when it's in place. And then move on with the guideline to number 6. Lift the film, apply tack solution, and tack it down with a squeegee. Lay down the film in recessed areas and repeat the same steps on the other side of the bumper. Set the film in place. Lock it down with squeegee and finish the lower part of the bumper. To push the fingers out, flush them out with duck solution and wrap your squeegee with dry microfiber towel to seal the edges down. Re-squeegee and hold for a few seconds if needed. Wrap and seal rest of the edges. Now apply the middle piece of the pre-cut pattern as follows. Set it in center, then squeegee the sides down in position. And it is time for the last part of the puzzle. Start from the center to line up the pieces and finish out by tacking the film down. When you are done with the application, wipe the film with microfiber towel for final inspection. This is how to install a pre-cut kit on a bumper with 3M Scotch Guard paint protection film.